Welcome back to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara. Today we are starting off with our first exercise. Since we started in the episodes with personal pronouns, we should start the exercises with that too. So here is the overview again of the personal pronouns in subject form. So these pronouns are used for someone or something doing the action. So for I, we have ako, and in the short form, ko. For you, we have the long form ikaw, short form ka. For he, she, or it, we have one form that is sia, or as Cebuanos sometimes pronounce it, siya. For we, person that we are talking to is included, we have kita or ta. For the exclusive form, for we, so not you, not the person we are talking to, we have kami or me. For you all, second person plural, kamo, and short mo. And for they, there's just one form that is sila. So as you see, we have the long form like ako, and we have the short form ko. Remember that the most common form is ko, like in sentence structure. You start the sentence with the verb, then the personal pronoun, then the rest. And in that sense, you use ko. You can put the personal pronoun first in the sentence, but then you stress this pronoun. So when you use ako, then you say, it's I who does this. It's me, not that person. It has a stress. If you use ko, which comes after the verb, then it's more the normal way of making a sentence. That's the most common form. So let's start on the exercises. We start with ako, ko. So let's, for instance, make the sentence when you will want to say something in Cebuano. First, you will create that sentence in your head in English. You will say, oh, how can I say, I eat mango? I eat a mango. The form in Cebuano, the sentence in Cebuano is mokaon ok mangga. So the answer is ako. Ako mokaon ok mangga. I drink water. Moinom ok tubig. Ko. Right? First, you start here with the verb moinom. I drink. Ko is the I. Ok tubig, water. I buy rice. Mopalit ok bugas. Ako. Because it is the first word in the sentence, you use ako. You stress. It's me that's buying rice, not you. Okay, we go over to ikaw or ka. You eat mango. Mokaon ok mangga. Ikaw. Ikaw mokaon ok mangga. You drink water. Moinom ok tubig. What do you fill in? Ka. Because it comes after the verb. Moinom ka ok tubig. You buy rice. Mopalit ok bugas. It has to come first in the sentence, so you use the long form ikaw. Ikaw mopalit ok bugas. We go over to the third form singular. Siya, siya. He eats mango, or she eats mango. It's the same. So, mokaon ok mangga. Use siya or siya. She drinks water. Moinom ok tubig. It's the same here. Siya, siya. Moinom ok tubig. He buys rice. Mopalit og bugas. Sia mopalit og bugas. Kita, we eat mango inclusive. So we inclusive you. Mokaon og mangga. Kita, mokaon og mangga. We drink water. Moinom og tubig. So here we use ta because it comes after the verb. Moinom ta og tubig. We buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Here we use kita. We go over to kami or me. We eat mango exclusive, so not the person we're talking to. Mokaon og mangga. Fill in kami. Kami mokaon og mangga. We drink water. Moinom og tubig. Me, because it comes after the verb. Moinom me og tubig. We buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Kami. Kami mopalit og bugas. Then we come to the second person plural. Kamo or mo. You eat mango. Mokaon og mangga. Kamo mokaon og mangga. You drink water. Moinom og tubig. Mo after the verb. Moinom mo og tubig. You buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Kamo mopalit og bugas. And the last one, third person plural. They eat mango. Mokaon og mangga. Sila. It's always the same. There's no short form here. They drink water. Moinom og tubig. Sila moinom sila og tubig. They buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Sila mopalit og bugas. Okay. That was a bit repetition. Now we do exercise 2, where we scramble all the pronouns. So first sentence we have they drink coffee. You have in your head, I want to say they drink coffee. How do we say that? So drink moinom ok kape. What is they? Sila. Moinom sila ok kape. I buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Ako. Mopalit og bugas. You singular cook fish. Moluto og isda. Ka. Moluto ka og isda. We exclusive eat mango. Mokaon og mangga. Kami mokaon og mangga. He drinks water. Moinom og tubig. Sia. Moinom sia og tubig. You plural see the dog. Makita ang iro. Kamo makita ang iro. We inclusive buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Kita mopalit og bugas. I drink water. Moinom og tubig. Moinom ko og tubig. You singular eat mango. Mokaon og mangga. Ikaw, first in the sentence. They cook fish. Moluto og isda. Sila, moluto sila ok izda. We exclusive drink coffee. Moinom ok kape. Mi. Moinom mi ok kape. He eats mango. Mokaon ok mangga. Sia. Long form, first in the sentence. Sia mokaon ok mangga. You, plural, buy rice. Mopalit og bugas. Kamo. Kamo mopalit og bugas. We, inclusive, eat mango. Mokaon ok mangga. Kita is the long form. So we use ta. Mokaon ta ok mangga. I cook fish. Moluto ok izda. Ko. Moluto ko ok izda. You, singular, drink coffee. Moinom ok kape. Ka. Moinom ka ok kape. They eat mango. Mokaon ok mangga. Sila. Mokaon ok mangga. We, exclusive, see the dog. Makita ang iro. Namo. Namo makita ang iro. He buys rice. Mopalit og bugas. He sia. Sia mopalit og bugas. I drink coffee. Moinom ok kape. Ko. Moinom ko ok kape. You, plural, eat mango. Mokaon ok mangga. Kamo. Kamo mokaon ok mangga. There. That's it for the personal pronouns in subject form. You can always repeat the exercise or make up new exercises if you want. The next exercise we will do will be the personal pronouns in object form. I'll see you there.